Today, I'm going to discuss about the BGP routing protocols and how it works in these packet tracer labs. So this packet tracer lab is already I've just done it, and I'm going to show you how it works. So I can show you these are the two autonomous systems. There is one autonomous system named is 65001, and there is a autonomous system 65002. So these are the two, and also I mentioned the network address as well and the subnet mask. And also here also I'm assigned this network as 172.168.1.0. One I'm assigned here and the two IP addresses assigned to this PC and this router. And these are the two PCs are here connected to these switches, and this switch is connected with the router. And how it works, I just click on the router, and when I just go in the router and just like show run command, just show the configuration. When it shows me all the configuration of this router, I'm talking about the router 0. The router 0 is a loopback address I have given here, and also the interface IP address is a 100 and I just minimize it. I'm going to explain you 172.16.1.1, and just the IP address is configure here. And when you go in interface by Ethernet, it's here, and I am just here just given the address 192.168.1.1 here, and just here I've assigned different PCs different. So just look, the BGP routing protocol is very important. So router BGP just autonomous system assigned here 65001, and the also the neighbor's IP address, because I'm here on the 65001. So my neighbor is this. So my neighbor IP address is 172.16.1.2, and remote as a remote autonomous system is ES65002. So I just mentioned here the network address is also I have given a 192.168.1.0, and also this one also I was supposed to give 172.16.0.0 and the 10 as well. That is also very important, the network. So what I'm going to do it now, I'm just going to just go on another router and just click here. And when I just go on another router, I can show you the show run command. And show run command is the loopback address is 20.20.20.22, and the IP address I have assigned here fast Ethernet 0/0. And then just go down, and the fast Ethernet 0/1 is 192.168.2.1 here, and 2.2 and 3, and it's going to be connected with to switch and then switch router, and they're going to ping this network. So these are two autonomous system here, and how it works now. What I'm going to do it now, simple. The first command is show IP route. I have to check it. Everything is working fine on our BGP configuration. The first command is show IP route. It shows me that the BGP is configured. That's no problem. That looks good. And show BGP, show IP BGP summary. Who is my neighbors? Because I'm here right now in router 1, and my neighbor is this. So I am going to check it and verify. My neighbor is 172.16.1.1. So this is my neighbor, and this is autonomous system. It shows that autonomous system number is 65001. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just click on that check the show IP route command on the other router, and I check it, the BGP is working fine. Yes, it's absolutely working fine. There is no problem. It shows be here and be here. So what I'm going to do, show IP BGP summary. It shows me command of the neighbors, because I'm here and my neighbor is 172.16.1.1. So it shows that I can just talk to my neighbors. So autonomous system is 65001, and it shows that my neighbor's autonomous number is 65002, and this is the IP address. So these autonomous system talk to this autonomous system, and they can exchange the routing informations. And whenever we discuss about autonomous system, we can say that it works on the internet, and the service provider use the BGP routing protocol. When two autonomous systems are there, so it means that they're going to exchange the routing information and they use BGP routing protocol. So, and this BGP routing protocol is a very famous routing protocols over the internet, and service provider to use this protocol. What I'm going to do it now, I'm just going to ping this PC, and this PC IP address is 192.168.1.3. I'm trying to ping. Let's see it works or not. I'm going to check it. 168.1.3. So it's working. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to check it. Either this IP address, what I have assigned to my neighbor, and I can see that the neighbors is connected and is showing the neighbors of the BGP routing protocol. Either we can ping that IP as well. I'm going to check it and I'm going to show you as well. So it's pinging. They are going to talk with each other. So what I'm going to do, I'm coming here and I'm going to first, I have to ping that IP address is here 1.1. This is my neighbor's IP and I'm here. I'm just going to ping here. So it's also pinging. Now I'm going to ping this PC. Can I just ping from here when I'm here on this router? So I'm try 192.168.2.3. Yes, it works. So this is all about the BGP routing protocol connectivities when we create two different autonomous systems, how they can exchange routing information, and I show you everything and verify. So if you have any question, you can ask. You can ask in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also I have a one question. Just tell me, BGP works on which protocol? Either use a TCP or UDP. Just answer my question in the comment section. I hope this lab is going well, everything is going well. So I must say thank you very much and have a lovely day. Take care. Bye.